Hi, I'm Roger Priest with Van Wa Legal PLLC, and I'm a local DUI attorney in Vancouver, Washington. And today, I'm going to answer a question for you that I often receive from my clients, which is, how long will my license be suspended for my DUI? The question has many answers, so depending on your circumstances, the best answer I can give is, it depends. For a first-time offense in Washington for a DUI charge, you can face a license suspension from anywhere between 90 days and 2 years. For your average run-of-the-mill first offense DUI, where you've got a breath test just above a .08, something like that, you're likely looking at a 90-day license suspension. However, Washington has an aggravated DUI for any breath test above a .15. If you're convicted of that aggravated DUI, you could be looking at a license suspension of 1 year. And then even worse in Washington, if you are convicted of refusing a breath test and convicted of a DUI in the same case, you can ultimately lose your license for 2 years. In addition, Washington treats a second offense or a third offense much more heavily than it does a first offense. Now, Washington looks at offenses in 7-year blocks. So if you had a DUI in the last 7 years and you pick up a new DUI, that will be treated as a second within 7. In such an instance, you'll be looking at a minimum of a 2-year license suspension. And if your breath test is above a .15, you'll be facing a 900-day suspension. And then if you refuse the breath test, you'll be facing a 3-year license suspension. Now, if you've had a prior DUI in your lifetime and you get charged with another DUI, but outside of 7, understand that your new DUI will be treated as a first in 7. You'll only be looking at the heightened license suspension if your DUI happened within 7 years of a prior DUI. And if you have the misfortune of being charged with your third DUI within 7 years, you'll be looking at a license suspension of at least 3 years and up to 4 years if either the breath test is above a .15 or you refuse a breath test. So depending on the circumstances of your particular DUI, you may be looking at a license suspension anywhere between 90 days and 4 years. If you have particular questions about your DUI and how long of a suspension you may be facing, or if you need the help of an experienced DUI attorney to help you with your DUI case, feel free to give me a call here at Van Wa Legal. Be happy to discuss your case and see if there's something I can do to help. Have a great day.